We're here with our next semi-finalist, Sara, who is third seeded here at the Split Open. Congrats on your win. Please let us know how was the match, and was the match as easy as the result says?
First of all, thank you. The match was closer than it looks. We had lots of close games, but I was like better in the moments what will decide it. And yeah, I'm happy.
Great. You were also in the semifinals of doubles. Do you manage to rest, and how do you prepare yourself for 2 matches a day?
I'm not playing doubles so often, so I'm happy to be there. And yeah, I think that I'm pretty good, like physical, and I hope that I will get it.
Great. It's your first time here at the Split Open. How do you like it here, and did you manage to do some sightseeing here?
I'm happy to be here. It's really good. Like everywhere where I'm winning, it's good. So yeah, I'm happy, and it's a really nice city and really good food.
We are glad to hear that, and we wish you good luck for singles and doubles.
Thank you.